वेलकम टू निक स्टडी क्लासेस। हमारे चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और शेयर करें। टुडेज टॉपिक इज़ जेनेटिक्स एंड इट्स वेरिएशन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, वी आइडेंटिफाइड अबाउट जेनेटिक्स. What is genetics? Genetic is a study of hereditary character. Hereditary characters means the character which is transferred from one generation to another generation. And variation means changes, whether it is environmental change or whether it is hereditary change. Genetic is a branch of science which deal with the study of hereditary and its variation. First of all, we are saying that genetic is a branch of science that deal with the study of hereditary character and its variation. What is hereditary? Hereditary means transfer of hereditary character from one generation to another generation. That is called as hereditary. Hereditary character, the character, morphology. Morphology means from the external point of view, physiologically, psychologically, and abnormal behavior present in the organism is transferred from generation to generation is called as hereditary character. For example, we are saying that some characters that in children's are parents are transfer in their child. First of all, we identify variation. Variation means change. A slight change is found in the offspring of one parent. Therefore, the difference found in one time of species is called as variation. We can say about the variation. You have seen it. If we are doing some exercise to increase our height, our parents are dwarf, then we do the exercise. But on that generation, we can't increase our height, but our next generation can increase our height. That is called as variation. Variation are of two types: somatic variation and genetic variation. Somatic means environmental effect and variation means change. We can say that the variation found in the body of organism due to environmental effect is called as somatic variation. Somatic variation is not heritable. It is only the environmental change, not transfer from one generation to another. If any changes is occur in the body of organism, it is due to the environmental effect. That we are saying the example, when we go out due to the sun effect, our skin become black. But it can't be transferred from one generation to another. After some time, it can be comes to the normal position. That is called as somatic. Second type is genetical variation. This type of variation can be found the changes in germ cell which take part in reproduction is called as genetical variation. You have seen it. Some characters are found in parents. It can be transferred from one in child. That is called as genetic variation. It is heritable. Heritables mean it can be transferred from one generation to another generation. It is also of genetical variation is also of two types: continuous variation and discontinuous variation. Continuous variation means these are the minute and indistinct variation occur from parents to offspring under the normal condition. This is also called fluctuation variation. So we can say it is a minute or distinct variation that can occur in parents to their offspring. The minute change is coming in from parents to their offspring. It is called as continuous variation. Discontinuous matlab big large changes is found is occur from parents to their offspring. It is called as mutation. Means more characters that is similar. You have seen it in the variation. When the child birth, that time lips are same as their mother, their father, and something else. We are seeing that variation is called as discontinuous variation. Thank you. अगले टॉपिक के लिए हम कल मिलेंगे। और हमारे चैनल, अगर हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए।